Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Web Technologies lessons. We finally met, you see me. If you haven't watched one of my videos before, my name is Özlem Nuşin Öztürk and I'm teaching HTML and CSS on this channel, and I'll start teaching JavaScript next week. So today's topic and the last step of our HTML and CSS journey is menu insertion. So let's get started without wasting time. Today we will make some arrangements to make our website look more like a website, and I will explain them step by step. So what is a menu? This is a menu which helps you to show the other sections of your web page, to switch between them, and I start with the head part and we choose the style tag. And then we type UL, which is a kind of list item. And this area represents our menu bar, this area. And our list style type is none, margin 0, and padding 0. Overflow is hidden, and background color is medium orchid. So what if I change the hidden part to visible? Let's run it, and it's now disappeared, the menu bar, and now it's transparent. I will fix it. I want the other one, the hidden. And in the next part, we type li, and of course the curly brackets. Float is left, which means your, let's replay it. Your writings are on the left. You can choose the right side, of course. Let's do it. Yeah, it's now on the right side. You can use it in that way, but I want it on the left. Okay. Next, we type li a and drop button, drop btn. This is a drop down button actually, and this is it. And we want it to be displayed in inline blocks, and color is white. This is the text color, looks like this. And text align is centered, and our paddings 14 to 16 pixels. Text decoration is none. And we type li a colon over and dot drop down colon over, and dot drop button again. And our background color is pale goldenrod. That means when you, for example, come to the home part, its background will be pale goldenrod, and since our web page's background is pale goldenrod, this will look like transparent. So hover means dragging your cursor to the icon. And next we type li drop down. Display is inline block, and that drop down content, display none, and position absolute. Background color is rosy brown. Let me show you. These are the drop down items, and minimum width is 160 pixels, and box shadow is 0, 8, 16, and 0 pixels again, and this is the color. And we type Z index 1. Drop down content A. This part is about our text, and our color is white again, like the others. And padding is 12 pixels to 16 pixels. Text decoration is none. And display is block. Text align is left. Don't forget that you can play with them, change them. And again, we type that drop down content, a colon hover. Our background color will be salmon, like this. When I drag my icon, this is salmon. We type drop down hover, drop down content, display block in the section, and we end the style tag here and the head part, and then we come to the body part. Actually, what we did here was CSS arrangements, and now we should link them together like we did in the previous classes, like CSS file and personal blog HTML file, linking them together. And to do that, in the body part, I want you to type UL and create this section to create our menu bar, and type Lee for a list item, and href, and use the tag home for the home part. And next, type Lee again, and then choose, of course, don't forget to close the sections, tags, and the next list item will be classified as drop down, like that, and type a href JavaScript void and classify it as drop button, and its name is news. And now we're gonna create a division. Type div and classified it as drop down content, and the items will be travel writings, photo gallery, and announcements. And you can just put a square as an href and close the division and list part, and open another list item and name it as news. And no, don't do it. This is the about part, not the news part, sorry. And now we're done. Close the UL section and AL Lee section, of course. And let's run it. You can choose them. It looks more stylish, I guess. I don't know what do you think, but you can just leave a comment down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed. The next week, as I told you, I will be teaching you JavaScript, and love you guys. See you. Bye.